Good afternoon to all the participants, to our today's speaker Ms. Pranjal Vyas, and to all the team members of Your Astrobuddy. I, Ayush Mokashi, admin and editor at Your Astrobuddy, take the pleasure to commence today's session. Today's session, titled Encountering Failures, Falling, Failing and Rising by Ms. Pranjal Vyas and organized by Your Astrobuddy. Speaking about me, from very beginning I have been enthusiastic about astronomy, stars, planets, galaxies, theories and some exciting stuff about that. That brought me in association with many organizations. To name a few includes Jyotirvidya Parisanstha JVP, Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, that's IUCA, and Sunday Science School. This journey was very fascinating and I'm enjoying it till date, and that was the very reason behind providing astronomy and astrophysics content, and that very idea brought us to develop Team Your Astrobuddy. Now, this might have created a slight curiosity in your mind what exactly Your Astrobuddy is. So, now I invite one of our active members, Mr. Devarshi Bhavle, to please take our audience to a short tour at our website, Your Astrobuddy. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Devarshi Bhavle. I am a member of Your Astrobuddy. So today I'll give the short introduction of our newly formed website named Your Astrobuddy. Basically, from the name only, one can get an idea of what the website exactly is. We created this website to provide the valuable content of astronomy and astrophysics to those who are astronomy enthusiastic as well as who likes to study astronomy. Before starting today's session by Ms. Pranjal Vyas, I'll explain the salient features of our newly formed website in next few minutes. So as we all can see, this is the homepage of our website and having the motto of tending to infinity, which basically means going towards the infinity as space is infinite too. As scrolling down, this is a message from Team Your Astrobuddy to our visitors. I appeal to the participants to take part in a small activity for next 1 minute. We request you to please read this message by our team Your Astrobuddy and get to know what exactly we provide here at Your Astrobuddy. Hope so you have got a short idea of what we exactly provide over here. So here are the four main tabs of our website. Basically the astro info, about us, announcements, and the last one, the image gallery. Starting from the first one. So here one will get the unreal facts of astronomy and astrophysics. Everyone likes to know the secrets of universe. Here we are clearly mentioning the source of the websites as well as the information from where we have got these facts. So here basically here are the two websites, which are the factsite.com and the space.com. Then here are the some of the facts related to astronomy and astrophysics. So one can go through it. So this was about the astro info page. Now in the about us tab, here is a small message from the admin of the website to the visitors. So one can go through it. Then at the bottom side, there is a magazine section. So one need to get the subscription to access the magazine, which we are going to publish in future. So here is the link for the subscription of the magazine. So this was about the about us tab. Now going towards the announcement page. So on this page, one will get the important announcements regarding the stargazing sessions, magazine, and the quiz competitions as well. So please stay tuned through this page to get the latest notification regarding the activities of Your Astrobuddy. Now going towards the last tab, which is the image gallery. This is the astrophotography section. Here also we have mentioned the sources of the images, which are the NASA and ESA, basically National Aeronautics and Space Administration and European Space Agency. These are the clearest photographs of the planets within our solar system captured by these two famous space agencies. Then scrolling down, these are the photos captured by me on my smartphone. As I am not a professional photographer, but I have my hobby to capture the natural photos as well as do the astrophotography. I'm also having an Instagram page named Natural Frame. So if anyone likes the natural photographs, so then definitely one can go through it. Then these are the images of the galaxies. The source is given over there, which is the unsplash.com, the site. Then here are also some of the images related to astronomy, the night sky as well as the galaxy photo. The source is the Our Space website. So this was about the four main tabs of our website. So here are the members' name with their designation. Till now, we are 5 members on board of your AstroBuddy. So I will give the short introduction of our members. So starting from the admin, Mr. Ayush Mokashi, who is the admin of our website as well as an editor too. Then I am Devarshi Bhavle. I have the photography and the facts department. So I provide the content of photos and facts. From my childhood only, I like to study the space science and also went to NASA, which is Kennedy Space Center in United States in Florida. On a study tour a few years back after my class 10th, I went to NASA and also other space study tours. I have also interacted with a few great personalities such as Dr. Jain Narayekar, who is a famous Indian astrophysicist and founder director of Ayuka Pune, and Dr. Pramod Kare, who is the former director of VSSC, which is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, and also he have worked with ISRO. And I have also attended a few webinars of retired scientists of NASA and the ISRO. So due to such activities and tours, interest within me of astronomy was developed more. And currently I am pursuing my education in basic science and wants to study astrophysics in my higher study. Me and Ayush, the admin of this page, are together since last 5 to 6 years from our journey of Sunday Science School, and it's a pleasure to work with team of your AstroBuddy and to provide the valuable content. Then coming towards the gallery and content section, which is handled by Miss Rishima Desai. Rishima is a digital designer and the content and social media accounts are handled by Miss Rishima. So basically she belongs to arts field. She has engaged many viewers to view the work of Team Your AstroBuddy from various social media pages. Currently, she is the head of designing department and works very passionately to bring our viewers the joy of art, astronomy, and adventure. Then coming towards the blogger section, which is handled by Miss Pranjal Vyas, who is our today's speaker. Some of our blogs are there on our website. One can check it at the right corner of the web page here. Then coming towards the account section, which is handled by Mr. Niranjan Parki. So basically, Mr. Niranjan belongs to commerce field and he is a financial advisor and accounts management and bookkeeping section is handled by him. Niranjan works passionately for the upliftment of the investment which the website makes and transfers new horizon for all the other members of Team Your AstroBuddy. So this was the short introduction of our members. Then here is what we exactly do over here at the Your AstroBuddy. So we provide the valuable content. Then there are the exciting announcements related to stargazing sessions and the motivation sections like today, which we are going to perform over here. Then the blog section is also there. Then the help and queries section. So if anyone want to get in touch with us and having some queries regarding the website as well as astronomy, so one can definitely go through this section and get in touch with us. Then going towards the registration tab. Here is a link for the membership form. If anyone wants to know what one will get after taking the membership, then it is written over there. One can visit our website too. In this registration section, one will get the info. Then at the bottom, there is the link for the refund as well as the fees. So one can definitely go through it. Here is the link for the fees and the refund policy. So this was about the registration one or the registration tab. Then the blogger section. So this is the blog section. Here are the blogs written by our today's speaker and a member of YAB, Miss Pranjal Vyas. Here are the blogs from majority of the fields. One can definitely take it. Then for contacting us, we are having our email ID, which is askmeabout010@gmail.com, as well as we are also having our Instagram page and Facebook page too, named Your AstroBuddy. So please guys to follow us on our pages, and for the latest updation and the activities of Your AstroBuddy, please do follow us. And here I finished with the short introduction of our website and of our members too. So thank you.
Thank you, Ayush. Yeah, thank you, Devarshi. That was really a sweet, short, and a beautiful introduction regarding the website. Now, our audience have definitely got exactly the idea what we exactly provide at Your AstroBuddy and what is our motive. Now, moving further to the next segment, I invite another active member of Team Your Astro Buddy, Miss Rishima Desai, to please introduce to our audience about our today's speaker, Miss Pranjal Vyas. Over to you, Rishima.
Thank you, Ayush. It's my pleasure to introduce to our audience about our today's speaker, Ms. Pranjal Vyas. She has always been fond of optimism and always strives hard to motivate people around. She is currently writing blogs for our website, Your Astro Buddy. She loves to interact with varied kinds of people with respect to motivation, self-confidence, success, and failure. This has brought her to launch her own YouTube channel titled Pranjal Vyas. If you visit YouTube, then in search bar you can type Pranjal Vyas and get to see her channel and the content which she provides. She admires one quote which serves as her motivation source and inspires her, which is, "Failure is a part of the process." Thank you. Please welcome Ms. Pranjal Vyas.
Thank you, Rishima. Thank you so much. Now, without wasting much of our time, it's my pleasure to invite between us our today's speaker, Ms. Pranjal Vyas, and put a light on today's topic, encountering failures, falling, failing, and rising. Over to you, Pranjal.
Thank you so much, Rishima and Ayush, for this introduction. Well, hello everyone, Pranjal here. I am 18.5 and I am currently pursuing architecture and I'm in my first year. Before starting the seminar, I want to tell you something. Till date, I haven't accomplished anything great. But I am here because I want to share some productive lessons which I had learned from some of my major failures of my past. I don't want to limit this experience and this knowledge to myself. Hence, without wasting any more time, let's get started encountering failure, falling, failing, and rising. I'll be using these bunch of papers for my reference. Whenever we execute a karma or karmas with an intention of getting that purpose or target fulfilled, the result is never in our hands. Result is the end product of the efforts that we put in towards a particular work. Now, let's speak about the possibilities of results. Results are basically obtained in a favorable fashion and in an unfavorable fashion. When results of our karma fall in the category of favorable fashion, it's termed as a success. And when the results of our karma fall in the category of unfavorable fashion, it's termed as a failure. Now, success and failure are reactions of results. Definitely, it's just not inappropriate to be happy or overwhelmed when success embraces us, and definitely it's just not inappropriate to be sad, melancholic, emotional when failure embraces us. Then what's wrong? Things get worse when we allow failure or success to be superior to us. Post success, let's not allow success to consume us such that in the near future we brag about ourselves and never put in efforts to achieve greater than something what we have done today. What happens is we tend to enter something known as complacency, a state of complacency or a state of stagnancy. मतलब बहुत कर लिया, अब कुछ नहीं करना. This is pretty wrong, क्योंकि इससे होता क्या है, हमारा ग्रोथ फैक्टर रुक जाता है. And post failure, let's not allow failure to consume us such that we surrender ourselves to this fear of failure. और इससे होगा क्या, although हम लोग attempts डालें, although हम लोग efforts डालें, वो 100% सक्सेसफुल कभी नहीं होंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा कम बैक सेटबैक से कभी बड़ा हो ही नहीं सकेगा, क्योंकि हमने अपने आप को, अपने फेलियर्स को सरेंडर कर दिया है. थोड़ा और समझते हैं. Why don't we define failure as a fruitful experience wherein post-thorough analyzations and post-thorough introspections of not only our mistakes but also mistakes of others, we come to this conclusion that in the near future we need not repeat such errors in same or similar scenarios and upgrade our skills. ये मीनिंग नहीं लगा रहता है फेलियर के साथ. फेलियर को एक कन्वेंशनल मीनिंग से अटैच कर दिया जाता है और वो ये है, कुछ करने का हमने प्रयास कर लिया, उसमें सफलता नहीं मिली, नीचे गिर गए, डन. नो, ये बहुत गलत अप्रोच है. आई वंस केम अक्रॉस अ स्टेटमेंट विच सेड, I never fail, I either succeed or I win. Let's first understand why do most of us fail. So, now, whatever your goal is, whatever your dream is, ask this question to yourself. How bad do you want it? What are you willing to sacrifice for the same? Are you ready to go through times of hopelessness, demotivation, times of no support for your honest dreams to come true? Are you ready to work constantly till you achieve whatever you are deeply aspiring? Most of us do not agree to say a yes, and the reason is very simple. हमारा Y factor, हमारा pushing Y weak है. मतलब जो चीज हम कर रहे हैं उस चीज को करने के पीछे का मुद्दा क्या है, इंटेंशन क्या है, रीजन क्या है, वो चीज हम क्यों कर रहे हैं. जब हमारा मुद्दा, रीजन, इंटेंशन स्ट्रांग रहेगा ना, तगड़ा रहेगा ना, तो होगा क्या, जब टफ टाइम्स आएंगे, जब चैलेंजिंग टाइम्स आएंगे, यही रीजंस हमें उन टाइम्स में सस्टेन करेंगे. Always remember one thing. If you want to shine like a sun, you even have to burn like a sun. अगर हमने हीरो की तरह चमकना है तो हमने टाइम्स ऑफ इमेंस प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर को भी एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ेगा. Would also like to point out one more aspect. Fear of failure. Let's ask ourselves, what are we fearing? Loss? That dream not coming true? Yes, in most of the cases. This creates an illusion of scarcity. इससे होता क्या है, अगर ये हमारी illusion of scarcity बढ़ती गई तो restlessness बढ़ जाता है, और अगर ये हमारा restlessness भी बढ़ते गया तो होता क्या है, हम अपने बायोलॉजिकल लेवल पे, हम अपने हेल्थ के लेवल पे कुछ सीवियर इश्यूज फेस कर सकते हैं. मतलब सिंस इन द रीसेंट कपल ऑफ मंथ्स हमने डिप्रेशन एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस के बहुत सारे केसेस देखे हैं, हम इस चीज को अच्छे से समझ सकेंगे. तो होता क्या है, रेस्टलेसनेस जब बढ़ जाता है तो समथिंग नोन एज डिप्रेशन, ये स्टेट ऑफ माइंड आ जाता है. और होता क्या है, हमें लगता है बस अभी कुछ पॉसिबल ही नहीं है इसके आगे. ऐसे लगता है चलो लेट्स गिव अप, लेट्स क्विट. ऐसे लगता है बस कोई होप ही नहीं है आगे. तो अगर ये डिप्रेशन भी बढ़ते गया, इसका एक्सपीरियंस भी बढ़ते गया, तो हमें लगता है फिर से कि सुसाइड अगला कदम है. ये गलत माइंडसेट है और ये गलत अप्रोच है. ऐसे सिनेरियोज में हम दो प्रकार से एग्जीक्यूशन दे सकते हैं. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज इन सच नेगेटिव सिनेरियोज इज दैट वी गेट डीमोटिवेटेड. इट्स प्रिटी नेचुरल एंड इट्स जस्ट ओके. नाउ what matters the most is your response, your attitude in such scenarios. आप खुद को क्या गाइडलाइन ऑफर कर रहे हो? क्या आपका सेल्फ टॉक, आपका सेल्फ डायलॉग सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड है या प्रॉब्लम ओरिएंटेड है? आप जो खुद को गाइडलाइन ऑफर कर रहे हो, क्या वो एनकरेजिंग स्टेटमेंट्स हैं या क्या वो डिस्करेजिंग स्टेटमेंट्स हैं? अगर ये चीज़ें जो दिमाग में चल रही है, अगर वो प्रॉब्लम ओरिएंटेड है तो हमने उन्हें सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड बनाना है. हमने अपना फोकस प्रॉब्लम्स पे नहीं बस पॉसिबिलिटीज पे लाना है। ऐसे टाइम में लेट्स हंट फॉर रेन ऑफ होप, लेट्स ईट अ स्कूप ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी and always have deep faith in ourselves. It's important to have deep faith and belief in ourselves. क्यों? क्योंकि खुद के सपनों पे पहले खुद भरोसा करना फर्स्ट स्टेप रहता है। There's a statement which says if you believe you can, you are halfway there. And even Henry Ford once said, if you believe you can or if you believe you can't, you are correct either ways. एक और एस्पेक्ट बोलना चाहूंगी। ऐसे सिचुएशंस में हमने कोई ब्लेम गेम नहीं खेलनी है। ब्लेम गेम मतलब कंप्लेन करना, अपना कंट्रोल, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बाहर के अनकंट्रोल्ड एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट पे धकेल देना। मैं ये चीज़ नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि ये इंसिडेंट हुआ था, मैं ये चीज़ नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि ये इंसान बीच में आ गया था। ये बहुत गलत है। हम एक्सक्यूजेस देके अपने गलतियों को छिपा रहे हैं और इससे कुछ हमें मिलता नहीं है। ये तो होती है पहली केस जब आप प्रॉब्लम ओरिएंटेड रहते हो। सो ये भी एक सिनारियो रह सकता है आप सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड हो, यू आर डूइंग वॉट एवर इज नीडेड टू बी डन, फिर भी उस चीज में ग्रोथ दिखती नहीं है, फिर भी उस चीज में कोई स्कोप दिखता नहीं है। इंप्लीमेंट द फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स, आई एम डैम श्योर आपको सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा। स्टेप 1, बीइंग रिलैक्स्ड, एट ईज, नॉट स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, नॉट पैनिक्ड। टेक अ ब्रेक, यस टेक अ ब्रेक, जूम आउट ऑफ द सिचुएशन, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट योर सिचुएशन, एनालाइज योर सिचुएशन। हमने ये देखना है कि हमने क्या एस्टैब्लिश किया है जब हम उस सिचुएशन में थे, अपने गलतियों को सुधारना है और ये सब एनालाइजेशंस करके वी नीड टू जूम इनटू द सिचुएशन, किल इट एंड विन इट। वन मोर थिंग गाइस, ये जो ब्रेक लेना है ये कोई वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम नहीं है। हमने ये मिसकंसेप्शन नहीं लेना है कि इस पर्टिकुलर केस में ब्रेक लेना एक वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है। ब्रेक लेना यहाँ पे एक प्रोडक्टिव यूज ऑफ टाइम है। स्टेप 2 और लेट्स से द नेक्स्ट लेवल, व्हेन यू आर रिलैक्स्ड, सिचुएशन को अच्छे से समझना है, ग्राउंड लेवल रियलिटी को अच्छे से समझना है, चैलेंजेस और पोटेंशियल्स को अच्छे से समझना है, पॉसिबिलिटीज और प्रॉब्लम्स को समझ के लेना है, सिचुएशंस के रिक्वायरमेंट्स के हिसाब से वाइज डिसीजंस लेने हैं। कभी कभी 2 कदम पीछे आना भी कोई गलत डिसीजन नहीं रहता। शेर भी अटैक करने से पहले 2 कदम पीछे आके अटैक करता है। उस फील्ड के एक्सपर्ट से गाइडलाइंस लेके अपने गलतियों को सुधार के नई स्ट्रैटेजीज बना के आगे बढ़ना है। ऑल्सो कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड, एट टाइम्स सिचुएशंस हमारे फेवर में नहीं रहती, हमने उन्हें अपने फेवर में करके लेना है। डोंट कंप्लेन अबाउट इट। लाइंग इन बेड, ईटिंग चिप्स, वॉचिंग टीवी एंड स्टिल थिंकिंग यू कैन अचीव इट। रिजल्ट्स वोंट फॉल इनटू योर लैप एंड से आपने हमें याद किया और हम चले आए। नेवर एक्सपेक्ट दिस। टू लेट द फियर ऑफ फेलियर never come true. Execute, take action, gain experience. You will be rejected a million times before you actually get what you are aspiring deep down. Put right efforts in the right direction. Don't focus on results. Yes, you heard it right. Don't focus on results, but focus on the efforts, the process that will lead you to the desired results. ये वही कंसेप्ट है, कंसेप्ट ऑफ रिजल्ट डिटैचमेंट। वो आजकल हम एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में सुन रहे हैं ना, फल की चिंता मत करो, वही चीज़ है। इस चीज़ पे मास्टरी होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि हम रिजल्ट एंटेंगलमेंट के ट्रैप में न फंसे। एंड मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स, more than the outcome of the process, what matters the most is the type of person you become at the end. Resilient, strong, tough as a mountain. We fail in two kinds of scenarios. Firstly, when we are not giving 100% because of some silly and petty reasons like demotivation, procrastination, laziness, etc. If this is the case, then you need to resolve this case ASAP, as soon as possible. क्योंकि that day will definitely arrive when you are giving your 100%. But you know what? That time you will have limited time. क्यों? Because that day will be your deadline. Case 2. Genuinely you are giving your 100%, but results are not up to the desired expectations. The feeling of getting crushed by our own visions, disappointments is genuinely understandable. Always remember one thing in such kind of scenarios. In such kind of scenarios, if you are getting pulled back very hard, always identify yourself on a strong elastic catapult. Catapult? हम सब ने कभी ना कभी पहले जिंदगी में एंग्री बर्ड्स नाम की एक गेम खेली है. तो उसमें जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट रहता है ना, जिससे हम एंग्री बर्ड्स को ऐसे फेंकते हैं, उनको हम कैटापल्ट कहते हैं. So in such scenarios, always identify yourself on a strong elastic catapult. And you know what? Who is pulling you back so hard? It's God who is pulling you back. He is saying you, these times were not meant for you. You are here for something greater. You keep going. You stay consistent. You don't give up. Run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, go slow. If you can't go slow, crawl. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't quit. Because when the right time comes, He will release you. And you just can't imagine how far you are going to go. What great heights you are going to scale. Arunima Sinha. Do you think Arunima Sinha ऐसे ही माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ गई? कटा हुआ पैर था. प्रॉब्लम्स को पॉसिबिलिटीज में कन्वर्ट करके सिचुएशन को जीत लिया. संदीप माहेश्वरी सर ऐसे ही संदीप माहेश्वरी नहीं बने. Just like everyone, he too had a bunch of unclear dreams and a blurred vision of his life. All he had was an undying learning attitude to hold on. Today, Zaha Hadid, architect Zaha Hadid, known for organic, freestyle and unimaginable architecture. ऐसे ही बड़ी आर्किटेक्ट नहीं बनी. बड़े बड़े इंटरनेशनल कॉम्पिटिशन्स ने उन्हें कहा था कि उनकी डिजाइन्स एक्चुअल सिनेरियोज में फिट नहीं होती. कितनी बार उनके डिजाइन्स को रिजेक्ट कर दिया गया था. फिर भी आज आर्किटेक्ट ज़हा के बिल्डिंग्स के स्ट्रक्चर्स उनकी हिम्मत और उनके हौसलों के बारे में बात करते हैं. माइकल फेल्प्स के पास ऐसे ही 28 ओलंपिक मेडल्स नहीं आए. कई संघर्षों, मुश्किलों और रुकावटों को पछाड़ने के बाद आज माइकल फेल्प्स बने हैं. गीता फोगाट के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा. कुछ साल पहले वो दंगल नाम की एक मूवी आई थी. आशा करती हूँ आपने देखी रहेगी. अगर नहीं देखी है तो ऐसी गलती ना करो. सो बेसिकली इस मूवी से भी सीखने जैसा बहुत कुछ है. चाहे समय कितना भी मुश्किल हो, चाहे लोग कुछ भी बोलते रहे, हमने अपने सपनों पे भरोसा रखना है एंड वी मस्ट कीप गोइंग. दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जाम्पल. डॉक्टर स्नेह देसाई, at the age of 17, when his father's business collapsed, crushed, somewhere due to the impact of 2001's Gujarat's earthquake, their financial status had come to all-time low. Even affording one time meal had become difficult. इतना लॉस उनसे देखा नहीं जा रहा था. ऐसी जिद पकड़ ली कि बस 2 साल में फ्रॉम 17 to 19 एट द एज ऑफ 19 उन्होंने अपनी पहली ड्रीम कार BMW खरीद ली. एंड अगेन एट द एज ऑफ 21 मर्सिडीज S मॉडल को खरीद लिया. एंड सून इन द कपल ऑफ ईयर्स अपनी खुद की 8 कंपनियां एस्टैब्लिश कर ली. उन्होंने अपने फेलियर्स को, अपनी सक्सेस को डिफाइन करने का कोई चांस ही नहीं छोड़ा. When I was in 10th, I came across this powerful statement by Sandeep Maheshwari sir. He says, हम लोग इसलिए फेल नहीं होते क्योंकि हम बहुत बड़े टारगेट्स रख के उन्हें अचीव नहीं कर पाते. हम लोग इसलिए फेल नहीं होते क्योंकि हम बहुत बड़े टारगेट्स रख के उन्हें अचीव नहीं कर पाते, पर हम लोग इसलिए फेल होते हैं क्योंकि हम छोटे टारगेट्स रख के उन्हें ईजिली अचीव कर लेते हैं. द पाथ टू फेलियर एंड द पाथ टू सक्सेस रिमेन्स द सेम. वॉट मैटर्स द मोस्ट is the type of choices we make every day. Every day we have 2 kinds of choices. Choice 1, वो choices जो हमें हमारे गोल स्टेटमेंट में कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे एक अच्छे तरीके से. एंड चॉइस 2 जो हमें अपने गोल स्टेटमेंट में 0 कंट्रीब्यूशन दे रहे हैं. अगर हम बस इन्हीं चॉइसेस को चूज़ करें थ्रू आउट मैक्सिमम टाइम्स, जो करना ही चाहिए, होगा क्या, एट द एंड जब ये चॉइसेस कंपाइल होगे ना, हमें बहुत बड़ा रिजल्ट मिलेगा, वो भी कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के साथ. वुड लाइक टू एंड दिस सेमिनार ऑफ माइंड विद अ ब्यूटिफुल कोट. विनर्स डोंट डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. So yes, thank you everyone for being so patient with me, and I wish you all the success, all the best. Win and come.